Hi, I'd like you to picture this. You're sitting on your bed, about to have a nice dinner, and you turn your TV on to watch something along with it. You find some random movie or show from your favorite streaming service, and you're about to have your first bite, but just then blood comes onto the TV. Well, now you've completely lost your appetite. You don't even want to look at food again. And this isn't something that has happened for the first time, it has happened to you many times, and your friends as well. So, when there was an opportunity to make a final project for CS50, I thought this would be a good cause to go for. Now, TREAT, although may sound pretty sweet, it actually stands for Trigger Recognition for Enjoyable and Appropriate Television. It's basically an AI based web app which is built on Python and Flask. It analyzes the scripts of movies and shows to find out potential triggers. What sort of triggers, you may ask? Well, when I was building this project, I understood the true potential of it. It's not just a silly project to find out the things I could watch while eating. It's also something that is very useful for some people who have been in trauma before or who have a list of phobias they need to look out for and can't while they're watching shows, because this is something which is not actively monitored. So I've decided to include a multitude of triggers which are present inside it. Some of it are violence, gore, abuse, which is mental or physical abuse, vomit, SAs, etc. So if we go to VS Code now, alright, now that we're in my second home, we can actually see how this works like. Now, from the little code you can see from my model.py script, this works on Google's FLAN T5 base model. And here are some trigger categories which I was talking about earlier. Now, after you've completely set up TREAT from the GitHub repository and logging into Hugging Face, you can actually use it by just a simple command, which is python run.py. This calls out the Flask server and boots the model in order for it to work and gives us a local link for us to access TREAT. Now, if we control and click on this link, we'll be treated with the actual web application. Now, from the UI you'll be able to see it's quite simple, but it is minimalistic at the same time. This is a little place where we can put our text or script in and a little button to analyze the script. For this, I'll be using this little test scene that I've included in the repository and copying it and putting it on here. Now, after we've given it enough time, and if we go back to our VS Code, we'll be able to see that it responds for each of it and gives us the actual response here when it's done. So after enough time, it will be able to give us all the triggers that it thinks are in the model. Currently, there's about a 90% success rate. Now, you'll be able to see all the triggers that it thinks it has. And also, for good measure, in the model, if we go back to our test files, this is the test number 2, by the way. Oh, sorry, test number 1, by the way. You'll be able to see all the triggers and how much of it actually covered, which is pretty cool. I believe TREAT is one of those projects that may be simple in nature, but it can provide great value to people. And doing this for my final project of CS50, it made me realize that I can build stuff that can actually improve people's lives. My name is Kuber Mehta, and this was CS50.